there is one big group that has become part of this, added to the exuberance, and that's the Bajaj Group that has crossed the 10 lakh crore mark in market capitalization. Before I elaborate on this, what would you have to say about the Bajaj Group joining the elite
Yeah,
club?
yeah. They joined the big league of corporate groups in India in terms of the market capitalization is concerned. Uh, they have a high corporate governance, bets and things on the long-term approach of the market and very stable business models forayed into autos and uh, financial services. And many of the group companies have extreme wealth creators on a longer term basis. So investors with a long-term approach, definitely with a the and dynamic management at the helm of affairs with respect to the Bajaj Group is concerned, and they know what they are doing, both in terms of autos, both in terms of the financial services industry is concerned. So, for a long-term investor, Bajaj Group is one of the key wealth creator at this point of time. Also, for the long-term investing is concerned.
You spoke about the Bajaj Group. I think I'll take the audience through how the group companies have performed in the last 1 year, if we can have the graphic. So, Suyash, Bajaj is on an overdrive. If you look at Bajaj Autos, 66.16% gains in the last 1 year, 2.22 in the last 5 days. Bajaj Finance, 9.76 percent gains in the last 1 year, 3.03 in the last 5 days. Bajaj Finserv, 3.68% in the last 1 year, 2.69% in the last 5 days. Bajaj Holdings and Investment, 22.73% in the last 1 year and 4.38% in the last 5 days. And Maharashtra Auto, something that probably is under the radar of most investors, 64.86% returns in the last 1 year, 1.33% in the last 5 days. Mr. Bathini, if you can help me on this, which of these do you think is the most attractive right now? All of them are very expensive. I mean, Bajaj Scooters is at the moment at 8,022. Which one would you recommend out of this table for the investors to go into right now?
Yeah, one is the two-wheeler major Bajaj Auto. With respect to the long-term investing is concerned, okay, recently Raju Bajaj made a very remarkable statement and come up with the idea of launching CNG two-wheelers. That's going to
Yes.
be a changer if they are successful in this perspective, because everybody talks about the IC and talks about the electric. In between, there is a okay, there is a big opportunity. If they could able to successful in this product segment, that's going to be a big game changer for Bajaj Auto is concerned. So for the long-term investors, still the two-wheeler is a big game. They are quite diversified in entry level and also the top end of the models. Okay, so these stocks are not for just a couple of quarters or just for one bull rally. The investors, if they have a very long-term approach, definitely, if anyone want to construct the new investors who are coming into the market or the existing investors, if they want to have a very blended long-term portfolio, definitely Bajaj Auto also do suitable, because always in market the good corporate governance companies and good business models comes up with a expensive price tag. That's what this group always demands. And these business models are very quite sustainable, stable business models. These are not one of kind of blips in the market. Both financial services and autos, they are the strong core sectors in the economy. When we say participation of India's growth story, the consumerism and consumption story, this is the best consumption themes, both autos as well as financial services. Coming to the financial services, they are quite strong, and the NBFC and the insurance space, what they are into, they also comes up with a expensive price tag. But an investor with a long-term approach, definitely they can accumulate these stocks for a medium to long term basis
Now,
at
Kranti,
every dips.
interesting that you you brought up Bajaj Finance, because that stock had come in under a fair bit of pressure after RBI tightened the norms for unsecured lending. But we are seeing buying interest re-emerge in that counter, where the stock has given returns of nearly 4% in the last 5 days. Valuation wise, is it a good time to enter Bajaj Finance for the short term?
At a, yeah, for a short term is concerned, Suyash, at dips one can add, and with respect to the medium term is concerned, one need to add these stocks at a very staggered manner. There is nothing to hurry adding these stocks one day in the portfolio at a single go. One need to add these stocks at every dip. That's what the strategy for these stocks. And if the momentum is concerned, one need to have a strict stop loss in these counters also. But by and large, these stocks are suitable for a investors who are approaching for a medium to long term returns.